Welcome to the Professional Spoken English and Communication Mastery Program by Premier Language Institute. We offer a step-by-step practical learning formula to help you speak with confidence, communicate with clarity, and transform your career. To achieve fluency, we focus on understanding the why and fixing the how. English is essential for career growth, global opportunities, accessing knowledge, and confidence. Our correct formula is 30% theory and 70% practice. Speak from day one, think in English, and follow the daily 20-minute formula. Choose the track that fits your goals. The 45-day fast track is for basic speaking and survival English. The popular 3-month foundation track focuses on beginner to intermediate skills. The 6-month mastery track takes you from beginner to advanced fluency and corporate readiness. Our comprehensive course structure is a 6-module journey to fluency. It systematically progresses from the English foundation in grammar and vocabulary to listening skills, speaking practice, reading skills, writing skills, and finally, personality development. Our scientifically designed 5-step learning pathway guarantees fluency. Start speaking from day one to break the fear barrier. Think in English to build neural pathways. Use the 20-minute formula daily. Practice with the mirror method for self-analysis and follow the 3M rule: mistake, modify, master. Consistency is key. Our practice pathway outlines a weekly routine with a 70% practical approach. Daily 20-minute micro-habits include 5 minutes each of listening, reading, speaking, and writing. The week culminates with Saturday assessments like group discussions and mock interviews. Module 01 focuses on the English foundation, covering grammar and vocabulary so students form grammatically correct basic sentences without hesitation. Module 02 develops listening skills, including understanding different accents and real-life conversations, so students can understand spoken English clearly. Module 03 is the speaking practice module, focused on core fluency and communication mastery. You will learn everything from self-introductions to public speaking and debate, with intensive daily practice activities like mirror speaking and partner practice. The final outcome is confident, fluent speaking without translation. Module 04, Reading Skills, focuses on literacy mastery, including speed and context. Module 05, Writing Skills, prepares you for professional drafting, such as formal email writing and resume preparation. The goal is to read quickly and write clearly and professionally. Module 06 is dedicated to personality and confidence, ensuring corporate readiness and an impactful presence. We cover body language, voice modulation, and overcoming stage fear. Through weekly mock interviews and presentations, you will become interview-ready and professionally confident. As an authorized training partner, we offer IIT Patna certification options to add prestigious academic recognition to your portfolio. This includes tracks for professional English communication, advanced business and corporate communication, and ELT and training certification. Our professional mastery program is ideal for students, professionals, and BPO employees. The curriculum is broken into 3 levels, from survival English to professional mastery, employing a 70% practical methodology focused on speaking and practice. Contact us to start your journey to fluency.